Yo, what's up family? Welcome back to another video on this channel. As you can see, today we're going first and we're going to be trying to balance the color balance. We're going to color balance, so let's get straight before wasting so much time. So now we're going to create 3 layers. Then you close the first one, select the second one, and come to filter, camera raw filter. Then first thing we're going to do, we're going to try to add the contrast to make it a bit dark, little, around 29-30 there. It's according to the photo you're having. Then we're going to add the shadows to open the hidden parts of the photos. Then after, the second thing we're going to go is HSL gray cells. So from here you select hue. Then after that, play with the greens, add the greens. Then I come here, add the orange a bit, add the yellow, come to aqueous, reduce it a bit. Then saturation, after add the greens, add the yellows, and add the orange a bit. Then now luminance stands as the light, so try to add the light. As you can see, it's changing something. Then add the greens too a bit, and the orange a little. Reduce the aqueous. Then after, come back to basics. Then on basics, come to where I call it is written vibrance. Then touch the vibrance a bit. Saturation, you just add little. Then we can clearly see the photo is coming to life. Then after, come to blacks, reduce it down a bit. Add the highlights and the whites. If you feel like the saturation is not enough, add it more. Then come back here on the gray cells. You try to play with this again. In case you had passed, reduce it. Add the greens, the yellow. It's just a matter of playing with these colors until you get the right photo, the right color you needed on the photo. As you can see now, the photo is almost getting done. Since we want green the most, we're going to be adding it. Add the lights too. So now you can come back to basics again. Try to add this. It should not be looking too brown. It should look like a normal photo. So then here, from here to here. So then that's the first step of how you can do it. Then you can delete this and we'll make another copy of this very one. So how we can change it a bit. Come back to camera raw filter, go to the gray cells, then play with the greens, reduce the greens. As you can see, it's now looking yellow, everything almost. Then come to yellow again, reduce it also a bit. Saturations, play with it. Now we are trying to touch only the greens in the background. We want the background to remain white, but the color of the person to remain the same way. So all you have to do is play with it. As you can see, add the lights because we need the lights. Just play with the saturation and hue this time. So as you can see, we have a photo with no greens on it, but the color of the person remained the same. We only played with the greens in the background. So we have the first one was this so faded, you can see greens and color at the same time, so we cannot be so sure. So then the second layer, we have the real nice green looking, greenish, everything looking fine. Then the third one, we have the color of the person remaining, but with no greens in the background. Yeah, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe, like, share, in case you have some other people you need them to see too, and we see you on the next video. Yeah.